The SB series is the most popular range of machines that Star have to offer, and they have sold worldwide over 27,000 machines in this range. Well, guess what? They've only gone and added a new model to the range. Now, it was launched at IMTS and A&B, and there was such a buzz around it. Well, they're going to bring that buzz here to their facility in Derby and have it at their open house from the 19th to the 21st of November. And if you think Star only manufacture sliding head machines, then think again, because they'll be showcasing their SK51 fixed head machine. If you're in the market for a new machine, then that is great. But if you're not, then this event is about more than that. It is about educating you on what these machines are capable of for you in your business. When you come here, you'll speak to like-minded people that also face the same challenges as you do. Plus, Star will be bringing along 20 of their partners. But wait, there is more. As you know, Star are famed for their amazing giveaways, and they've made one especially for you. I've seen it, it is great. Now, look, there's going to be so much to see. So you've got your giveaways. If you're hungry, then there's a hog roast and a veggie option. There'll be 7 machines for you to explore. Simply register on their website. It'll be happening here at their HQ in Derby from the 19th to the 21st of November.